Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this lesson, we're going to figure out how to set up our website in the back end. So now we're finally getting to the most exciting stuff of the course, which is to actually build our example website. Now I'll actually just briefly show you what we're going to build before we get started. Okay, so this is the website we're going to build, this web design studio, okay? Now we have our header, our navigation here, our navigation header up here. We have a nice looking hero banner over here with some animations happening in the back, this typing text here, our see our work button, a nice handsome gentleman here. When we scroll down, we have our header to be sticky, so it's going to scroll down with us. We have here the About Us section with some social icons, a little video here that I've made for y'all that we can put in picture. Okay. So have that playing while we look at the other parts. We have our services here, which will have all the services that we offer here. Okay. We can put this back here. We have like this counter here with this lottie animation here to the side to showcase the amount of projects that we've worked on, the amount of clients and websites we've done, etc. Here we have our actual portfolio where we can actually filter out the things that we've done to showcase our clients. And then if they click on it, they can get a zoomed in kind of idea. And we also have the link here. We have the client testimonial section here that shows all the good feedback that we've received from clients, okay? We have Meet the Team section here with their respective social media links, okay? We have some recent blog posts here. And then we have a contact us form that works. So you can fill everything in and you will get this email with the message and the subject letter. And we have our footer with all the quick links and the social icons as well. That's the website we're going to be building. So let's do this, guys. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to reset everything. We're going to start completely from scratch. We're going to do everything step by step. And I'm just going to make sure that I don't lose anybody throughout the building of this lovely website. And we're going to be repeating a lot of the things that we've covered in Module 3. So if you haven't already, make sure to cover Module 3 in depth to make sure you know how to navigate around WordPress. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to reset our WordPress dashboard. We're going to reset everything. And the way to do that is through a plugin called WP Reset, which is this one up here. We're going to install it. We're going to activate it. And we're going to open the tools here. And you might get a pop-up here. Just click on outside of the pop-up and you'll exit from it. Navigate to where it says Site Reset. Reactivate WP Reset plugin. I don't want to reactivate anything. I'm going to type reset and I'm going to reset the site. Remember, I'm working on the example.dulcinoliveira.com subdomain, okay? I created this previously in the course, but you can go ahead and create a new subdomain if you wish, okay? Or just use your main domain. It doesn't matter. So let's reset the WordPress. Okay, lovely. So effectively, we've now are starting from scratch, okay? Let's remove anything that we might see. So in the posts, I'm just gonna trash this. Any media, no. Any pages, we'll just remove everything here and start completely from scratch. Any comments, no. Any themes, we are going to delete this theme. We need to have one theme available, okay? And it's not going to be 2021, but we'll leave that for now. We'll look at any plugins that are installed. We're just going to select them both, and we're going to delete them. Bulk action, apply. Okay. All right, fantastic. So we've effectively reset everything that we need to. So now let's go ahead and we're going to add some media that we're going to be using to build our website. Now remember, I'm sharing all the media that you're going to need in this example media folder. Okay, so make sure you download that and then begin to upload everything one by one. And I'm actually going to show you that now. I might speed up this section so it doesn't take too long, but I will be uploading everything with you guys. So I have this example media here. It's in the zip file. I will need to go to my desktop to unzip it. Oh, radio. Okay, let me go let this. Let's do that. Okay, close something folder. And I have to sign back. Back. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're back and all our media has been added, minus the JSON files. That's completely okay. We'll look into that later. That's completely fine. We have everything we need in our media. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to create some pages, okay? So let's go ahead and do that. So let's navigate to all pages. Let's go ahead and create some pages. Now, I want you to follow along with me in this course. So make sure you create the things that I create. We're going to create a few pages in order to build our fully functional website. Let's go ahead and create pages. Okay. All we're going to do is give a title to the pages. So home and publish. That's all we're going to do. Add a new page. This page will be called company and publish. Add a new page. About us. Publish. New page. Meet the team. Publish. Add new page. Our blog. Publish. New page. Our services. Publish. New page. Our portfolio. Publish. And then the last one, contact us. And publish. Super easy, right? Let's go to all pages. We see that we've created all the pages that we need. Now, what we want to do is, let's go to the reading settings. And all we're going to do is we're going to assign a page specifically for just our posts, which is going to be our blog page. And then we're going to have our landing page, which is going to be our home page, which is the first page people see. So our home page, we're going to select home. Our posts page, we're going to select our blog. Okay. For each post, I just want to include the excerpt, not the full text. Blog page is shown at most. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Save changes. And now what I want to do as well, I want to take the opportunity to create some posts. So let's go ahead and do that. We're actually going to use ChatGPT to make our life a little bit easier. He's going to write our content. So let's go ahead, let's go to posts. And let's create the posts. Let's create some posts. Let's see. The first thing can be about SEO. So what we'll do is we'll go to ChatGPT. We'll say, I want you to write a short blog post about SEO. Include a title. Keep the post to 2 paragraphs maximum. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to just copy that as well. Send. ChatGPT is going to do its thing. Okay. I'm going to just create a new thing here, and I'm just going to actually just paste this here so I don't lose that prompt. Then I'm going to copy this. Then go back to the post, paste the title, go to ChatGPT, copy, and then I'm going to just paste the text here. I'm going to open up the settings panel here, go to the post. For this post, we'll give it a featured image. In our media library, we will give it SEO. And we will publish. Okay, that's one post done. We'll make a second one. The second one is going to be about content creation. So I'm going to take this again, copy, paste here. This time it's going to be about, let's say, for social media management. Okay, it's going to do its thing. Okay. Again, this is just a dummy post, okay? This is, the information here is not really meant to be accurate. It's just so we can get a really nice idea of how our website will look like. We'll go ahead and give it a featured image of this computer. Publish. And then we'll create one more, and it's going to be about design. Okay. Let's say web design. So about web design. And this is nice to actually have some kind of information here, because when you show clients your work, if everything is lorem ipsum, it makes it a little bit more difficult to kind of sell the vision to them. But if there's just some dummy data here, they're not going to actually read the posts, right? But if they can see a realistic way to view it, it just makes that much more likely that they'll take you on, that they'll hire you on. This is coming from a web developer point of view. We use this featured image, publish. Okay, that's good enough. We have some 3 posts here. Let's go ahead and create some categories as well. We'll do SEO. We'll do SEO. We'll do social media. And let's say, for example, we'll do design. Okay, so you have some categories here. For social media, we'll just make some tags. For example, we'll make Facebook, for example, and we'll make Instagram, okay? For example, I think Facebook is actually like this. Update. We'll go to the posts here, and let's say for this one here, social media management, we can give it social media category, and you can be more specific and give it a tag. Let's say this one's talking about Instagram specifically. Okay, you can give it that tag. Okay. We can give this one the SEO tag, category, pardon. And honestly, the rest is fine. We can, what's the last one? The last one is this web design. Skip design. Okay. Fantastic. Now what we want to do is we want to install the correct theme. So let's go to appearance. Let's go to add a new theme. And we're going to actually download this one, Hello Elementor. You can also just search Hello up here. Oh, I guess not. Hello Elementor. There we go. And it'll appear here. Install. Activate. And let's go ahead and delete the 2021 theme that we're not using. Okay, this is the theme that we're going to be using. You can see how it looks like if I go here. Completely empty. Like I said, blank canvas, okay? This makes it easier than having restrictions on the layout and whatnot, okay? Blank canvas. Next, we're going to be installing the Elementor plugin. So let's go to add a new plugin. Search for Elementor. Click on install now. Installed. Activate. Okay. Now Elementor will bring you here. You can create an account now, or you can just skip through all of this here. Skip, skip, skip. It's going to take you to the Elementor interface. So we'll just click on X. Click on X. Okay. Now we'll have a video devoted to learning the fundamentals of Elementor, but right now we're just going to set things up, okay? We're going to just exit back to WordPress, and to do that, you need to go and click on this icon here. Click on exit, and then you need to select where you want to exit to. In this case, I want to exit to the WordPress dashboard. So click that and I apply. Leave. Okay, lovely. Now I'm back to the interface. Next, I want to configure some Elementor settings. So I'm going to go to Elementor, click on settings, and I'm going to go to features. I'm going to activate some features here, which are going to be improved CSS loading, which is basically going to reduce the amount of CSS code needed to essentially apply styling to your website, and then improved asset loading as well. These options just reduce the amount of code needed to upload your website, so it improves the performance. And we're also going to use Flexbox Container. This is going to give us an element called container that's really going to help us with the layout of our website in a very easy manner, okay? So we're going to put that to active. Once you've done all this, go down and click on Save Changes. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to create our menus for our header and footer. So we should already know how to do this, but if you forgot the steps, you can go back to the appearance section where I explain how to make menus. So let's go ahead and create the menus. First, we're going to go to the appearance section here. Click on menus. We're going to give our first menu a name, which is going to be our main header. Or let's say in this case, it's going to be our home page. We could go with main header. Main header is fine. Okay, display location, it's going to be in the header. So we're going to create the menu. And let's see, what do we want to go in our main header? If I just create a new tab here and I go back to our website that we're going to be building, I can use it as a guide. So home, company, our services, blog, and contact us. Okay. So home, company, I already forgot the order. Maybe blog, our services, contact us. Home, blog, company, contact us, our services. That's not the right order, okay? We just keep this over here. Let's see. We have home, company, yep. Contact us, yep. Our services, yes, and then blog. That's completely fine. Okay. So let's usually contact us is last. Let's say companies here. Then we want our services here, let's say. Yeah, that's fine. Now we also have, based on these drop-downs, arrows here, we have some submenus. So about us and meet the team are submenus of company. So let's go ahead and do that. Just exit that. So let's go ahead, let's go add about us and meet the team. Remember, these are all pages. The reason they're pages is because they're in the pages menu item here, okay? So about us and meet the team. Let's add all that. Okay, so as we've seen, we want the about us to be a submenu. So we just drag it to the right here so there's a little gap. We want meet the team as well to be a sub menu of company. We also have one more submenu, which is our portfolio, which is inside of our services. So let's add our portfolio. Add to menu, and let's make it a submenu of our services. I believe that's all for our main header. Let's save the menu. Okay, it's saved. Now we want to create our footer menu. So we're going to click on create a new menu. We're going to call this main footer, assign the display location to footer, and create the menu. This time, let's see what we want in our footer. Okay. We want about us, our portfolio, our services, and contact us. So about us, our portfolio, our services, contact us. Add to menu. Okay, this is last. And then it's portfolio before services. All right. Save the menu. So now we can see we've created our two menus, header and footer. We know their location, the headers with header, footers with footer. We've saved the changes. So now we can go ahead and continue on with the configuration. We're going to click on customize. Now this is the first time you've seen customize for this theme, Hello Elementor, but notice how little there is to actually customize, okay? This is done on purpose. So let's go to site identity. Let's select the logo. Let's have our logo. I just want to double check it's the black. It's actually transparent. It's transparent. Okay, which is this one. Transparent logo. So we'll select that. Yeah, crop image. That's fine. Next we have our title, Web Design Studio. That's fine. Our tagline, design done better. Okay. Then we have our icon, and we see the icon is the black background icon here. Select. Yeah, we're okay with that. Crop image. And we'll publish those changes. Let's go back. And that's effectively it. We've now effectively set up our website from the back end. Now it's time to set up our website in the front end using Elementor. See you in the next video.